Hi, I'm Kate McLeod, creator of the Body Stone, a best-selling body moisturizer that I started making in my kitchen. I was a pastry chef with dry skin until I started using one of my favorite ingredients, cocoa butter, on my body. The results were transformational. Cocoa butter is the best thing you can put on your body. It's a vitamin E powerhouse that locks in moisture, soothes dry skin, and nourishes the skin barrier. But raw cocoa butter is a rock-hard solid and difficult to apply. Most lotions are 75 to 90% water. Water dilution makes ingredients like cocoa butter easier to work with, but reduces their efficacy. I thought about how I used to work with chocolate. Went into the kitchen, melted it down, and blended in my favorite oils, which felt luxurious and easily absorbed through the skin. After years of perfecting the recipe, the Body Stone was born, a cocoa butter concentrate that intensely nourishes dry skin. 80% cocoa butter, 100% plant-based, no water dilution. In one application of the Body Stone, you apply more cocoa butter to your body than exists in a 16-ounce bottle of lotion. And it glides on like silk, absorbing quickly for results you can see and feel. Your skin will feel soft, supple, and glowing. This began as my self-care practice. When I started working on this recipe, I was going through a really hard time. I felt lonely and disconnected, and what I discovered purely by chance is that days when I applied my Body Stone were better days. That moment of connection with myself fueled my desire to want to go out, to get out of the house, to get dressed, and connect with others. Over time, it slowly changed my life. This practice became so meaningful to me that I felt a sense of responsibility to share it. If it could help me, it could probably help others, and it has resonated. This is more than a moisturizer. This is about giving yourself some love, a warm embrace. It's about connecting with yourself and your body. We all need that more than ever. Today, the Kate McLeod Workshop makes my recipes with integrity, care, and love. We've applied our innovative formulation approach to creating solid body care, skincare, bath and shower, and sexual wellness products. We keep our people and processes close to home, employing local chefs, bakers, and makers to create products that are handmade just for you. They're also better for the environment. By removing water from our formulas, we avoid some of the biggest culprits of waste in the beauty industry. Our innovative plastic-free packaging systems are designed to be reusable and refillable. What started as a recipe in my kitchen turned into a movement to feel better and do better. And I'm honored to welcome you to the journey. Thank you for helping me share the magic.